Hey YouTube, Gabe here for Conflict Games, and welcome to development progress video number 18 for in Exilium. First off, I just wanted to mention that I submitted in Exilium to Unity3D this year, so it's the first festival I've ever submitted a game to, and I just wanted to thank everybody who gave me some feedback on my last kind of beta test thing that I did. I took a lot of that feedback that I got into consideration and made quite a few changes for the build that I submitted to Indicate, and I think it really helped polish out kind of the single player campaign experience. So thank you for that. All right, well today I get to show off the kind of highly anticipated, or at least highly anticipated for me, very exciting for me, multiplayer battlegrounds. So let's go ahead and dive right in here. The implementation of the multiplayer battlegrounds is almost completely done, actually. I'll be able to show off basically the full functionality of how multiplayer is gonna work. So when you log into kind of the main lobby type area here, you have your multiplayer battleground tab. When you click the button, it connects to a matchmaking server. I wanted the multiplayer kind of system, the whole system in general, to be as extremely simple and kind of intuitive as possible. And one of the games that actually I took off, or I used as inspiration just in terms of its matchmaking simplicity, was Hearthstone, the trading card game from Blizzard that recently came out. Its kind of interface for how it deals with multiplayer, I think, was super just simple and clean, and that's really what I wanted. So when you click the battlegrounds, you're presented with three options here. You can play a ranked game, and here's your rank. We can play a casual game, and that's basically the same thing except with no rank, and whether you die or how many kills you get doesn't go towards anything. And then private game is the same thing as a casual game, except it will allow you to play with only a certain amount of people, or only certain people that you'll allow into the game. So let's play a ranked game here just to start off. So when you join a game, it connects to the matchmaking server and registers that you want to join a game. Right now, I'm the only person on the planet that is connected to it, so it told me that I could create a game. So I created a game. Here's my character name, Testchar. My rank is rank 1. There's just a simple little dialogue interface here where I can chat with other players while we're waiting for the game to fill up. Traditionally, each match will have 4 players, and the battles are going to be basically 1v1, v1, v1. And this is the only format I'm going to allow right off the bat. I'm still maybe thinking about doing 2-on-2 team matches, but for now, the only thing that's supported is a 1v1, v1, v1, just kind of battle arena, every man for himself. So for the purposes of this video, also I limited the number of players to only be 2 players. So let me log in here with another player. I just connected to the match server and joining a ranked game. There we go. So, let me get out of here real quick. So, okay, I joined with a character with the same player name as this character. And if you notice real quick, there was a 2 identification there. So that's how, if 2 players have the same name, they'll still be able to identify themselves. And also, you can see I quit out of multiplayer and he left the game here. It's a little formatting error there with this message here. But, alright, let me log into the right character here for this demo. Alright, so have him join a ranked game. Let's see, I'm having a little bit of a problem here. Let me rejoin and create a new game here. Okay, so we have our test character, and then here we go. So we have Killbait here, and we can chat with each other. So if he types hey, say hey there, it'll start a countdown, and once the countdown finishes, the game will start. So like I said before, this will traditionally be when the match fills up with 4 players. Okay, so in the battle map here, it gives you a dialogue. Battle begins 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then here we are. We're in the battle map. Maps are all going to be relatively small to kind of invite more, you know, I guess dynamic combat, or just more kind of a lot of action combat. So let's go find our other player here. So there he is. You can see I'm going to move him around here. Just as a side note, this other game, or this other character that I'm playing as over here, is actually running on Mac right now. So my Mac build multiplayer does work. The guy in the red that you see is running on Mac, and then me right here on my green is running on PC. So let's kill this guy. So as you can see, also I poisoned him, and he gets kind of a green. Oh, well, that just killed him. But he has the indicator for poison is kind of a green cloud that floats over their head, and all this information is passed over the network here. So let's get a couple kills in here. Alright, so I killed him twice, so you can, whenever you die, it loads up this battle stats screen too, and I'll show that off in just a sec, but you can click this battle stats screen, pops up a dialog. You can see my test character here has 2 kills, 2 deaths, and because we're playing a ranked game, I have 2 more kills till... Alright, sorry about that cut there. My computer actually just crashed. Not sure exactly what that was about. Anyway, so diving right back in here, I think I was talking about... Right, so we're in a ranked game here, so only 2 more kills and I would rank up here. So there are 2 ways basically for a battle to complete, or 3 ways I guess. One is this timer. Each battle's on a 10-minute timer. When the timer runs out, the battle will complete. Let's get okay. Yeah, that's a little bug there too, that sometimes the outlines don't show up until I switch equipment. So let's see if I unequip and re-equip. There we go. Yeah, it should come back. Anyway, so either the timer will run out, and then you just get there's no specific winner or loser or whatever. It's all you're trying to do is get your rank up, and you rank up just by getting kills. So timer runs out, that ends the battle. You get how many kills you had. There we go. So now, yep, 10 kills till the next rank now. Oh, there seems to be a little bug with the size of the bar there too. Anyway, so you can either 10 minutes runs out, or you get to 15 kills. Once again, for the purposes of this video, I have it set to 5 kills, just to kind of show off what's up. Here, I'm gonna take a second and kill myself here with the other character here, just so that you can see kind of what happens when you die. So there we go. That was pretty quick. Alright, so it pops up the battle stats screen, and then respawns you back at a place. I'm still frozen here. Wow, there are quite a few little bugs here. So I'm still stuck in the frozen state, even though I died, and it should have cleared that state out, so it's alright. Alright, I'll go ahead and just finish this guy off here in slow-mo, which is going to be a pain. But should only need 2 more kills, or 1 more kill. Okay, so 1 more kill and it'll end the match here. There we go. Alright, so it just ends the match, and it will return us to the lobby here in 3 seconds, whatever. It gives a little countdown. And there we go. You can see my rank is 2 now, so if I go to the battlegrounds, okay, server, my rank is 2, and that's that. So that kind of is really basically it. Let me show. Okay, yeah, so I mentioned, that's right, I mentioned the 3 options. So that's about it. The other things you can do in the match is you can chat between players in the match, so you can talk smack a little bit, and um, yeah, it showed off the kills and casual and private games, and yeah, so yeah, it's like I said, I wanted to keep it super simple, pretty minimalistic. That's why I don't want there to be a lot of different kind of game options or stuff like that. It's really just a place to kind of create an environment where there can be just a lot of fast-paced, really quick, action-packed battles, so to speak. Um, like I said, the server is actually working and hosted on a server in California right now, so you can connect over the internet with people. Let me just show off. So to create the private game, join casual game works just like join ranked game. It just connects you to a game automatically. So I got put into a game here since I'm the only guy. Um, but then private game prompts me to just enter a secret phrase, and that's all it needs to do to indicate. So anyone else who clicks a private game and enters the same secret phrase will get added into your game here. Um, and that's that. And things left. I mean, there were a couple little bugs that you saw, like some of the conditions stuck through, and the highlighting didn't stay focused. Another thing is that I want to get kind of minimap indicators for the enemy players on the minimap, so you'll know kind of where everyone is at all times. I'll need to get an actual rank sorting algorithm. Right now, it just puts in the first available game, so you could theoretically have like a rank 50 guy fighting against a rank 2 guy. Um, but eventually I will, before it's released, have it so that it actually tries to match up ranks to as close a rank as possible. Um, and then calculating kind of respawn points so that you respawn always like as far away from other, just kind of simple things like that, really just kind of getting through. But the core functionality of the multiplayer is working really well. So that's about this. Once I'm done with all that thing, I'm going to open up another kind of beta to really kind of test out the multiplayer, rigorously test it out. So I'm probably going to do some sort of a beta through Desura is what I'm going to really try to do. So if you're interested in this project, stay tuned for that. Also, feel free to follow me on Twitter, where I kind of tweet about updates of the game at Complex Games. Also, subscribe to the channel here if you're interested in getting more. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.